Hello everyone! Add some hairspray and then comb the hair into place. Divide the hair into two sections, make two ponytails, and then roll this hair in on itself. This will form two twists. Then start off by making a braid. Make a normal braid, and once you are done with it, once again roll it in on itself. This is what it should look like. Twist the bottom and add a decorative rubber band. Add some hairspray, comb the hair into place, make two divisions on the scalp, take a section off the front of the hair and then tie a rubber band to the front section. Once you are done with this, take a section right underneath it, tie another rubber band to it. Take a third section as well and then repeat this process until you reach the base of the scalp. Once you reach the base of the scalp, make two ponytails. Add some hairspray, comb the hair into place, make four sections of the hair, add multiple rubber bands on either side, and then join them on opposite ends. Using a bun stick, roll the hair upwards of the two ponytails, roll it in, and make a bun and adjust accordingly. Add a decorative rubber band once you are done. Add some hairspray, comb the hair into place. Then make a section of the top, make a ponytail, and take a section of this ponytail and braid it. For the second section, add a rubber band to the middle, roll the hair in on itself. Lift it upwards and make a bow-like shape, add a rubber band once you are done. Make two braids and roll it upwards. Add some hairspray, comb the rest. Thank you for watching.